guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about a very interesting topic, a very interesting app. This app pays you for geomining, for walking, for for driving, and every single task that you already do every day. So all you have to do is what? You just go to Play Store and download this app on your phone and get it activated. Then you can start earning money online. So let me show you the app on Play Store so you can get to see it easily. This is the name of the app, Coin. It says always be earning, so you can always earn using this app. Now let's go back to business. So if you want to earn from this app, you would see that there are lots of tasks on the platform. For example, this is geomine. Once you click on it, it's going to load, and once it loads, you can see my earnings. So your earnings at the top keeps increasing. So for everything you do, for example, this is geoclaim. I've claimed before, so it said geoclaiming will become available once you have geomined 50 times. This feature allows you to participate in a weekly contest where you can claim areas and earn coin. So another thing you can earn from is this one. It said the geodrop note field should not be used to spread lies, hate, or racism. Misuse will result in your account being suspended and your coin being forfeited. So you agreed. So how much you want to sell? If you can also click here to see the box, the geodrop, and that's it. So you can see my earnings going up. So right now I've collected 1,104.12 coin. Don't forget that this is a cryptocurrency on its own, and it can be used to purchase things online. But before we get to that stage, let's touch and all the possible areas of this app and how you can make money from it. So these are other options also. This one is saying big geomines, of which these big geomines you need to upgrade to pro version. So if you don't have enough funds to upgrade, just leave it for now and move on. This is another option. It says welcome to surveys. So you can actually take surveys, and with these surveys you earn more money. Yes, so this is a good one because after taking the surveys you get paid in coins. So it sounds good. Let's go back because I'm not sure that's what we want to do right now. So another thing right now is we have this, which talks about feature intros. So we have the background rewards, they have the secrets to success, they have bonus drops, they have audio ads and all. So if you watch audio ads, you can also earn more money from this platform. So beyond driving and all, you can make as much money as you want to make. It all depends on whatever you want to do. There is another option there that is not showing right now. I think it's play. So you can, they said earn 4 coin. Would you like to watch a video ad to earn 4 coin? If you deny, it will be lost and all. So let's say no thanks, so that at least we can move on to the next stage. So there are other options there, like I said. For example, your map tracking GPS, which shows how you are walking, where you are going, and things you are doing. So now they said rewarded tasks. So you can take rewarded surveys, you can take rewarded play, special offers that sign up and earn big, rewarded shopping, rewarded booking. So there are lots of opportunities on this app. You just have to jump on board and start using. So these are bonus drops. So it all depends on whatever you want to do, and just try them out once you download the app. So this is background rewards. So maximum 3 hours. That's if you leave it on your phone for 3 hours, and also you can check them out once you download. So there are extension devices. You can scan device, link your Bluetooth, and some other things. Let's leave that and go to the main business. So now, how do you withdraw your coins? All you have to do is click on the coin at the top, and this coin at the top, then you go to redeem. Under redeem, there are lots of opportunities. If you are based in America, UK, and the top countries, you can just use your coin to buy things immediately. That's as you want. So you can buy things from Amazon, you can buy product, gadgets and all. But beyond that, another thing is you can withdraw it as a cryptocurrency, which is called SYO coin. So let's select SYO coin. Now once you earn up to 10,000 coin, which is on this platform, then you can convert it to SYO coin and withdraw straight to your wallet, which can be on a MetaMask. So guys, you must have mined 10,000 of this coin to actually convert it to 10,000 XYO cryptocurrency. This is XYO. So all you have to do is, let's calculate. You need to calculate how much you have actually made per transaction, that's in per mining. Right now, let's use our calculator to know how much we have actually made from it. So if you have mined 10,000 coins and you want to convert it to SYO, it's going to be times, this is 0.0045, 0.0045. So technically you would have made $45 before you can withdraw, of which, if you can see, as you can see the how much I made instantly per mining, that means all I have to do is do it 10 times, and with that 10 times I would have earned $45 with ease. So, but don't be carried away by that, because it actually takes time. It's not as easy as we are saying it, because after doing this you might need to wait for 1 hour before you can do second mining. So you might not be able to achieve that in a day, but you can definitely achieve it in 2 or 3 days, depending on how you want it and how fast you need money. So once you convert it to this coin, the next thing you have to do is you can scroll down and copy the Ethereum contract address, go to Trust Wallet, enter this Ethereum contract address, and once you do that, you would have you can use a MetaMask also, or Trust Wallet. You would have logged your account into the Trust Wallet or MetaMask, and your funds will reflect there. So as it is, you have made $45 doing this task, and you can do this every single day. Nothing stops you from doing them. It all depends on you, and it is already what you do every single time. So every day you drive, every day you walk, every day you jump, you do all those things, exercise and all. So while you are keeping fit, you are also making money. This is sincerely one of the best apps you can ever think of, because you are always making money. You're always making money, and the opportunities are there for you. Now, what are you waiting for, guys? Go straight to Playstore and download it right away, or check the description section to see the link. You would see the link over there. Just click on it and sign up with immediate effect. Thanks for watching this video once again. If you have joined this channel for the very first time, please make sure you subscribe. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. I'll be right there to answer every single question that has been asked. Thank you for watching once again, and bye for now.